there! Today I'm talking about CMA software for realtors, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a CMA in the Remine app. Let's get started. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Carrie Jonicas, and I am the proud owner and a transaction manager at Amplify Transaction Services. If you would like to learn more information about how we can help you, you can visit our website at www.amplifytransactions.com.
To how to create a CMA in the Remine app. Now I'm using the desktop version. You of course can use the actual app on your phone, but I'm using the desktop version. So this is what it looks like when you log in. I'm just going to use this property as an example to do a CMA, but you can search for the property that you're looking to do a comparative market analysis on. So once you load the actual property on the right side, it's going to say create CMA. And you can actually choose either Cloud CMA or Remine CMA, depending on if your system allows for it. I am using the Remine Pro version, so it depends on what's available in your area. However, my Remine does not connect to cloud, so I'd have to go to cloud outside of this. So you're going to click on that Remine CMA, and then it's going to ask you to select comparables criteria. So it is doing a radius search around the subject property, which is located here. And then it automatically filled in some information for the bedrooms, the bathrooms, for minimum and maximum. And you just want to fill in any information that you feel is really important. And then down here, it's going to have you select the distance around the property. So I'm going to change this to 1 mile, because when we're looking at what the appraiser is going to look at, they're going to use a mile around the property. So I want to try to make it as close as possible to the same criteria that an appraiser is going to use. Now I'm going to hit search. And it found 61 properties. And it says that there's too many results, and it says that we should narrow down the criteria. So let's go here and say minimum bedrooms 3, minimum baths 2. Let's just add, we'll just say 2001 for the year built. Floors, let's do 1, just to kind of narrow it down. Oh, no results found. Okay, let's go back and edit the criteria. So let's get rid of this and get rid of this. Let's see. Apply. Now there's still too many results. Okay, let's do a little bit more. So let's do the year built, maybe. Let's try 1995. Okay, so there's 22 now, and there's more. So there's 7 active, 14 closed, and 1 sitting on hold. So these are all of the properties. So you can go through and take a look at the information that each of them have. And if you want to remove them, you can remove them, or you can leave them on. And then you're going to hit save and continue. It's going to ask you to choose a color scheme. So it's nice that it actually has different brokerages color schemes already in here. So I'm just going to choose this one. And then you can upload your company logo also, or your photo. And then we'll just put the name of the client, Sally Smith. And as you notice here, it automatically put the brokerage name down here. So you want to make sure, I know a lot of people think that when they choose that it's for the colors. It's not necessarily for the colors. It actually puts the logo as well. So you got to be careful with that. If you want to use similar colors, you can, and you can choose custom by just choosing, the color that you think that matches your brokerage color the best. So I'm going to go save and continue. And then this is what the report looks like. It shows a comparables overview. It shows the average valuation estimate. And then it shows you the comparable properties and gives you some detailed information on each of these. And then you can then print this report and email it over to your clients. It asks you what information you want to print. Do you want to print all of the images? And do you want to include the valuations that were put in here? And then you also have the ability to name your file, which is really nice as well. If you want to name it anything specific of how you save your documents, that can work out really great for you as well. So then you can just email that over to your client. It emails over pretty nicely. This is not my favorite way to do a comparative market analysis. I prefer Cloud CMA over Remine, but it just gives you another option. You can always do this as kind of another way to gain information. And so like you can use that when you are creating your final one in Cloud, or if you like to use this and you think it's more simple, or you know the colors schemes or the report looks nicer to you, definitely whatever works best for you. But I did do a video previously on Cloud CMA, so if you want to check out that video, I will link that up above.
Well, there you have it. Now you know how to create a CMA in the Remine app. If you would like to learn more tips and tricks about organizing your real estate business, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you need help with your contract to close services, we would love to assist you. Please visit our website at www.amplifiedtransactions.com. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.